Just poke him.
Hi, Howie. Is Howie tired? Gonna wake up, Howie? Yeah, me and you. Shh. Is he asleep?
Not yet.
Cut that right in his face. Jeez, Charlie. Hi. Hi, sleepyhead. Hi.
Taylor, move.
You're so cute.
Move your hand. Howie.
He's falling asleep. Shh. Shh.
Oh, he's falling asleep. See him in my picture.
Over. Down. Right there. Well, that's for me and his mom.